Hello, just a quick announcement about the class that we had today. We still working on our relationships. We already covered in inner child. We already worked with our inner adult, and today we experienced our inner parent, how we can take care of such complicated situations as conflicts, how we can recognize allies, support, resources, who represent who, and really find the best solution. I just want to show you the short the drawing that I've made for myself. As always, I'm working on my topic and everyone was working on their own. The conflicts can be very complicated. Conflicts could be about with another person, with another group of people. It can be with another, it could be with family members. It can be, conflicts can be with part of yourself. And each of them have a different approach and different goals. But we talked about different options, different situations, and if you still be interested in working over your conflicts, over your situations, over your discomfort in communications, or maybe you just want to understand why there is a separation between you and another person. Conflicts can be not just recent or that's something that you involved right now. There could be solutions for conflict that was experienced 20 years ago, and you still stuck in those dialogues, in those conversations with those people. You're still proving something. It doesn't matter if they still be alive or passed away, you still be experience the stuckness in this conflict. All of them can be solved with Neurographica, and if you, or at least you can recognize the solutions, what can be the best outcome in these situations. So you may purchase the recording of the class. The link will be in the description box. So if you want to join us in March, we will start working with chakras, and we will cover all 7 chakras. And the last class in April will be balancing and connecting all 7 chakras in our system. So this will be a long 2 months project, but it's very important because it tells a lot about chakras, not just representing energy source. It representing many emotions and many basic feelings that important for our peace and our joy and our experiences in life, how we can recognize ourselves and other people in our lives. So welcome to March and April. We will start with root chakra, and we'll start with very gentle. We are not going to force any energies, but see what those energies can tell us, how they can support us, what they need. We are not bringing energy, we are balancing what already we have inside of us. And this is very important to recognize the gentleness in every energy source for ourselves and for other people as well. So this is what I wanted to show you. So if you are interested in joining us for our class tomorrow, we have a free class about neuroconfession. This is another continuation of working with inner parent and how you may help yourself to deal with guilt and shame that we sometimes experience, and how you can forgive yourself and in this beautiful experiences using Neurographica. This was my drawing from today, but I did another drawing on Monday with a Russian group. So this is about solving conflicts as well. So every time it's different drawings, different outcome, different experiences, and different insights. So if you want to experience it, please join us. So thank you very much. I'll see you soon somewhere in our classes. Take care. Bye-bye.